If you've ever watched a space video or scrolled through facts about Jupiter, you might have heard something surprising. It's often called a failed star. That sounds strange. Jupiter is just a planet, so how could it have ever been close to becoming a star? At first glance, it doesn't look anything like the sun. It doesn't shine, and it doesn't produce its own light. But here's the twist. Jupiter is made mostly of the same elements as the sun, mainly hydrogen and helium. So this raises a fascinating question. Why didn't Jupiter become a star? What stopped it from lighting up? To understand that, we need to look at how stars are born. Stars begin as massive clouds of gas that collapse under gravity. As the material falls inward, the center becomes hotter and denser. If enough mass builds up, the core reaches extreme temperatures where nuclear fusion begins. This is the key moment. Fusion is what turns an object into a star, releasing huge amounts of energy and light. Jupiter formed in a similar way. It gathered a large amount of gas and grew into a massive object. But it never crossed that critical threshold. Even though it's enormous, Jupiter doesn't have enough mass to create the pressure needed for fusion. And here's the incredible part. It would need to be about 80 times more massive to become a true star. That's not a small difference, it's massive. Because of this, its core never became hot enough to ignite fusion. Instead of becoming a star, Jupiter remained a gas giant, made of similar material, but without the ability to shine. There are objects called brown dwarfs that sit between planets and stars, but Jupiter is even smaller than those. The insight here is powerful. Composition alone doesn't decide what something becomes in space. Mass is the real deciding factor. In the end, Jupiter is called a failed star because it had the right ingredients, but not enough mass to ignite and shine like a true star. Hit like and subscribe to stay updated. Check the description for more.